Hi. Let's move on with our project plan. We've done quite a lot of things already. At the moment we have set dependencies and also milestones, and basically now we can actually have the view of our critical tasks or the critical path. Um, you already know what the critical path is, and in order to to see which tasks are critical, you can have an overview of them by clicking to Format and a dedicated button here called Critical Tasks. So let's click on it. So now we can see in our Gantt chart all the tasks that are critical in this project. Okay. As opposed to critical path, we also have a slack. So we can also have the slack shown in the Gantt chart by again going to Format and clicking on Slack. So basically here you can see the slack that we have for certain tasks. Okay. Microsoft Project also allows us to view network diagram, which is nothing else than the representation of the Gantt chart in the form of network. To see that, we should go to View here and press on Network Diagram. So here you can see our network diagram, and you can already see that the critical paths are somehow highlighted in here. So this is a part of your coursework as well, to have an overview of the network diagram. So let's move back to our Gantt chart. So you can go back here from here by pressing Gantt chart on the left. Now, as we are approaching sort of end of our plannings, there are some things that are missing. For instance, we said that in WBS coding is very important, and it also applies to the planning. So we want to make sure that what we coded in WBS is also represented here. Microsoft Project itself has this option. I'm sorry, I have here something. Yeah. So now to have a view of our WBS codes, we can go to again Format, and there is a dedicated button here called Outline Number. When we press on it, we'll get the coding for all our tasks accordingly, so according to its level. So 1.1, 1.2, 2.2.1, etc. Okay, make sure that in your project WBS coding is present. Last but not the least, for this project or for this tutorial, we can wonder how long our project is gonna last. So what's the duration of our project? So we can see here that the durations are different, and it's hard to tell how many days it is, and overall to have the highest level of the project. There is a dedicated button again which highlights the summary of our project. And if we go again to format, in this box, and there is a box here called project summary task. So when you click on it, you'll get the overall assumptions for the project. So in this case we have 61 days for the project. So the project will start from on 25th of December and will finish on 22nd of March 2018. So as you can see here, the title is here, project 10. We can also change it to whatever we like. So we double click on it, and the name of the task would be then, let's call it tutorial project. That's it. To have a smaller overview, a better overview of a project, we can leave it in this way as well. So that was it.